1. 1979 Ford Ranchero, $8,500, Charlottesville, Virginia. The 1979 Ford Ranchero is a unique blend of car and truck, showcasing the versatility that defined this model. Powered by a 351 Windsor engine built in Canada, it delivers solid performance. The exterior boasts a clean white finish, complemented by a well-maintained burgundy interior. With an automatic transmission and 128,000 miles on the odometer, this Ranchero is a reliable weekly driver. Recent updates include a new black bed liner and a remarkably preserved interior. This Ranchero is in very good condition with no significant issues, making it a great choice for enthusiasts seeking style and practicality. Two, 1972 Chevrolet C10 regular cab long bed, $6,800, Gillette, Wisconsin. This 1972 Chevrolet C10 pickup is a classic workhorse. It features a 307 engine equipped with headers and a 3-speed manual transmission. The blue exterior pairs well with the rugged character of the truck, which has 100,003 miles. While it runs and drives, its no-frills design offers potential for light restoration or customization. Ideal for classic truck fans, this C10 embodies the durability and charm of early 70s Chevrolet pickups. 3. 1974 Chevrolet C10 regular cab short bed, $8,500, Athens, Alabama. The 1974 Chevrolet C10 SWB is a performance-driven classic featuring a 383 stroker engine and a turbo 350 transmission. The upgrades include AFR aluminum heads, a Holley Sniper EFI system, and a posi traction rear end. This white and black truck, while exhibiting dents, rust, and wear, still offers significant appeal for those seeking a project vehicle. The sale includes high-quality components like drilled and slotted rotors, providing a great foundation for a street-ready classic. Number 4. 1965 Chevrolet C10 long wheelbase, $6,500, Woodland, Alabama. This 1965 Chevrolet C10 stands out as a vintage truck with character. Under the hood is a 6-cylinder engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. While the truck has been sitting for some time, it runs and drives and includes several new parts such as a fuel tank, brake system, and front windshield. With its white exterior, new bedboards, and updated interior elements, this truck is a functional piece of history ready for a new chapter. Five 1979 Ford F-150 regular cab short bed, $5,000, Mocksville, North Carolina. This 1979 Ford F-150 is a restoration-ready gem with a 302 engine and automatic transmission. Its black-on-black color scheme highlights its classic styling. With 128,562 miles, this truck has a clean title and remains structurally sound. While it requires a new carburetor and some TLC, it represents an excellent starting point for enthusiasts seeking to restore a vintage Ford to its former glory. 6. 1978 Ford F-150 regular cab long bed, $7,000, Cleveland, Tennessee. The 1978 Ford F-150 in Cleveland, Tennessee is a well-loved daily driver with a reliable 306-cylinder engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. Its blue exterior and interior maintain a cohesive look, with minor rust spots adding vintage character. Recent maintenance ensures it runs confidently, and the truck is described as fun to drive. This is an ideal candidate for someone wanting a functional and stylish piece of Ford history. Sasher 7, 1968 GMC 1500 regular cab short bed, $7,800, Nashville, Tennessee. This 1968 GMC 1500 is a solid project truck with only 4,800 miles since its restoration efforts began. Featuring a manual transmission and matching blue interior and exterior, it rolls on new 15x12 wheels and tires. While it runs and drives, this truck offers room for further customization or enhancement, appealing to enthusiasts looking to create a one-of-a-kind classic. Eight. 1979 Chevrolet K20 Cheyenne, $6,000, Pinehurst, Idaho. The 1979 Chevrolet K20 Cheyenne is a capable 4x4 truck powered by a 350 engine paired with a TH400 automatic transmission. The truck features a clean green exterior and boasts numerous recent upgrades, including a rebuilt AC system, new fuel lines, and fresh tires. Minor rust and past repairs reflect its age, but the overall condition is impressive. It is a rugged, reliable vehicle, perfect for both off-road adventures and daily use. 9. 1974 Ford F-100 2WBD, $9,700, Grand Junction, Colorado. This 1974 Ford F-100 offers a strong 460 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck runs well and features a working heater. While it could use some power steering repairs, it remains drivable. The red exterior adds to its classic appeal. A clean Colorado title and its robust build make this an excellent option for collectors or restorers. 10. 1970 Chevrolet C10, $7,500, Newark, New York. This 1970 Chevrolet C10 showcases a frame-off restoration with significant upgrades, including a rebuilt 283 engine, dual exhaust, and an Edelbrock carburetor. The bright yellow exterior enhances its vintage charm. The truck retains many original features while integrating modern performance enhancements, making it a reliable and stylish classic with a clean title. 11. 1972 Chevrolet C10 Stepside, $10,995, Meridian, Idaho. The 1972 Chevrolet C10 Stepside is a daily driver with a freshly rebuilt 350 V8 engine and turbo 350 automatic transmission. With only 1,900 miles on the rebuild, it offers reliability and performance. The white exterior is complemented by new wheels and tires, creating a striking yet practical appearance. This truck is a great option for enthusiasts looking for a turnkey classic. 1979 Chevrolet Scottsdale K20. $15,000, Topsfield, Massachusetts. This 1979 Chevrolet Scottsdale K20 is a highly maintained classic with a rich history. Featuring a rebuilt motor, transmission, and front end, it has driven only 97,712 miles. The green exterior remains in good condition, and recent updates include new upholstery, a battery, and an Edelbrock carburetor. This truck combines rugged capability with vintage style, making it a rare find. (13) 1967 Ford F100 2WD long bed, $10,000, Ramona, California. The 1967 Ford F100 is a well-preserved example of Ford's classic pickup lineup. It features a 360 engine, a rebuilt automatic transmission, and a fully updated brake system. The long bed and clean red exterior are complemented by new tires and fresh wiring, ensuring reliability. This truck is a great candidate for anyone seeking a dependable, vintage workhorse.